So first off then, we'll chronograph this toy. I think this was 50 quid, bought about Christmas time. I just want to see how the penetration compares between this and their rifle of roughly about the same foot poundage. Now these bolts weigh 139 grains. So do this now. 198.3. So I'll work that out when I get home. Now I'll do a chronograph with the rifle, change the weight on the chronograph because it's been shot. But, so ignore the energy reading. These pellets are 15.89 grain. And if I've tuned this right, this should be about 10.5 foot-pound. 572.1. Right, so that's those two done. Now we'll set a block of gel up and try and shoot it with a crossbow if I can hit it, because it's bloody windy again down here. So see when I got that set up. Right, so we'll go with the rifle first. This is only from 10 meters, and I'm trying to, hopefully this won't penetrate the gel, because I don't fancy trying to hit the narrow side with the crossbow. Let's go and see if it has gone all the way through. And it did go all the way through, so I'm going to have to try and shoot the narrow section. Shooting it with this obviously ain't going to be a problem, but shooting it with that crossbow probably will be. Hopefully that hasn't gone all the way through. There goes nothing. Missed. Not sure what I did, to be honest, but it hit and bounced off. That's stuck in it. Woohoo! Bloody hell, same amount of penetration. I know which one I'd rather be hit by, and it definitely ain't this pistol crossbow for 50 quid. When you think this was delivered and left on my doorstep with 12 bolts, so anyone could have picked up, and you can't even get a complete moderator delivered to your door without signing for it face to face. Fucking ridiculous.